So today is Emancipation Day, and in a few days, we'll be ringing in our 55th as an independent nation. So in light of this, our producer has given us some random situations, oh my gosh, involving our national heroes and a few icons. Please don't know about that cuss because we know we take it serious. So, we're going to get 5 random questions each about famous Jamaicans, and we're to associate. If you could give Paul Bogle a middle name, what would it be?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel?
Sounds distinguished.
Yeah. I don't know what it would be. Nathaniel sounds nice. I don't know what I would give him.
Does he have one?
I would want to give him something.
African.
Yeah.
Me know, man.
I want to give him some African.
Me know, man.
So I don't know.
Do he actually have
It's
one?
like when you hear
Must
Kunta
go
Kente out of roots, you say, yeah, that represents, yeah. But I want to give him something like that.
Paul Kunta Kente.
Not Kunta Kente, but something that has meaning. Yeah.
Okay. That's Dahlia. Okay, apart from the guitar, which instrument would you want to see Bob Marley play?
Okay. A mosquito just emancipate himself into my coffee. I'd like to see Bob Marley play the drums. Not the thing that like the
Congo drums.
Yeah. I like to see him play the drums.
I see a theme developing with you, Harris.
No, but hold on. You ever see Bob on the guitar and he gets lost in it? But I like to see Bob play the drum and in lots of fly and it'll be so hard.
For all we know, he probably could.
Yeah.
For all we know.
Yeah, the drums.
All right. Which is the next one, miss? As you have us guessing these crazy things. What do you think Sam Sharp had
for dinner the night he led the Christmas rebellion? I don't think he
probably
even
didn't
ate.
Unique.
I don't think he ate unique. Do you eat 80, 30 something? The slave them. Yeah.
I think he had bigger fish to fry. Pardon the pun.
Yeah.
So maybe no dinner that night.
No. Very troubled.
That's our guess. It's karaoke and Miss Lou is singing this Queen Africa song. In times like this, we need to find our heroes. That's what she would be singing. Or she could be singing Lioness on the Rise.
Yeah, that's what I thought about too.
Yeah, Lioness you can call her by her name. She are ready to roar. So either of those two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which would Marcus Garvey rather, coffee or tea?
Probably coffee and he take it black.
And you know I would have said tea.
Chuba, because he was...
I'm just thinking about his socio-cultural background.
He was in India.
His living in Britain and a bit in New York. Then we're gonna have a cup of tea. Very much still coming out of like a British influences.
Okay.
But if he was still alive, sorry, no, if he's still alive, I'd probably coffee for true.
Time would have all the power in wouldn't sleep.
True, I'd probably coffee.
That may say.
Probably coffee, keep him up. Yeah. Would Nanny be on Team Hussein or Team Asafa? Girl, Nanny would be on Team Elaine.
And Team Shelley. Yeah. It's Girl Power Tuesday. What do you expect us to say, Unique? No. She would be on...
Nanny would be on Team Elaine or Team Shelley.
I'm with Delia.
Yeah.
Nanny would be for Team Jamaica, though.
Yeah. But if
you know,
you're going to name an
rooting for
athlete, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's our guess. What's the next one?
If Mary Seacole could cure bad mind, what medicines would she use?
Busy. Busy fix everything, you know? Everything. Gas, cramping, headache.
I don't think even
pain.
Dr. Lowe could find the cure for bad mind. So I wouldn't put that on Mary Seacole. Yeah.
Subjunctive, if. Hypothetically speaking,
if she could cure, busy is probably
busy
cure everything.
Busy fix everything.
Or Caffeinol. Them stop sell it, but when you look a bit, anything happen to you, them say some Caffeinol.
Then you just aged yourself
yes.
like
Fenzik. Anything wrong with you? Them say in contact to Cafe now.
Yeah.
In contact to Fenzik.
19, long time.
Yes.
Long time.
Yes, school
Yes.
nurse, all school nurse have a Cafe and Fenzik.
Went to Immaculate.
Yeah.
Your foot hurt you?
Here's
Here's
two
two
Fenzik.
Fenzik. Nurse have a headache.
Belly hurt me.
Belly hurt me.
Take two
Fenzik. Yeah. We knew how it went.
Fenzik.
What's the one? I think it would be piece of advice Norman Manley would give
Donald Trump.
You put Donald Trump in a big ears discussion, uni.
Um,
You don't have no business here.
well, Norman Manley was a great legal mind. So I think he would probably advise him to be careful not to perjure himself and not to get himself. What's that word?
I'm not having a discussion about Norman Manley and Donald Trump in the same sentence. I refuse.
Yeah, he's a great legal mind. But just tell him never get himself in trouble. Which what?
Jesus Christ. No, this is getting more random by the minute. Which dancehall artist
Which
would you have?
dancehall artist would you have
Bustamante?
Alexander Bustamante to spend the day with? Beanie Man.
I agree, actually.
Yeah, I'd say Beanie Man.
Because Beanie, not that the others can't, but there's a dynamism about Beanie Man where you can talk to him about issues of the day.
Yeah.
You can probably talk to others about issues of the day as well. About entertainment. There are raft of things. You could sit and talk to Beanie Man for a full week and don't realize that you don't miss work.
Yeah, and
You don't bathe, you don't eat.
He's fun. He's
Very
cool.
engaging.
Yeah. So I think they could
Yeah.
hang for a day.
I agree with
I
you
think they
on
could
that
hang
one.
for a day. Give George William Gordon a Jamaican nickname. What Jamaican nickname come out here? They might call him Georgie, Willie, Don.
GG from him acronym. Or it could be, some Jamaican nicknames have nothing to do. We could have named Shorty,
They'll probably call him after what he
Tall
does.
Man.
Yeah,
If
Brown
he-
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, who knows? Are we finished being random now, Unique, or you have one more? Okay, great. So we're going to break? We'll have more on Smile after the